Today we have a printer, a 3D printer that was targeted for home usage. So the idea is to print your own design at home with plastic. You can manage the printer with your mobile phones, it's in Wi-Fi, so you can manage with any device that is connected to the network. The main challenge was to make it smaller. So the small design for home was a big challenge. Second challenge was to keep the time to market for sure. And for sure, keeping the budget under limit. What I would say is a kind of a partnership. So we are working together and to find the best solution for the product they have to launch to the market, because we understand that if they win, we win. So it's a kind of partnership together. I would say that with BQ today we have a relation of several years since they started as a company. So we've been with them working in the different designs, trying to help them to manufacture in Europe. Most of the designs are manufactured in Asia, for obvious reasons, because of the consumer market. But we are working with them more and more, because one of the commitments that BQ has is also with education for universities, tech institutes. So this is something that they are putting in their lines of robots and 3D printers like the one that we have here. So that's one of the challenges that we have with them. And they are always working with us to try to find solutions. So it's something that is really very fun.